Welcome back. Tourism Department is expecting record arrival of tourists during this season. On World Tourism Day, Department has decided to go high-tech, starting with allotment of shacks. This year, shacks will be distributed under CCTV surveillance. Many other agencies celebrated this day with great enthusiasm and service.
The tourist department plans to spread out its tourism activities over a larger span of time and area in the forthcoming season. The department also expects the number of tourists this year to surpass the 2007-2008 record.
And also, as we are aware, about 73 crores projects have been sanctioned for the government of Goa. Work on this is starting now. They have got all the approvals and all. Once all these things start, then the direction of Goa's tourism will be slightly changed. It will be more oriented towards larger beach and larger type of activities instead of only beach tourism that is today.
Swapnil also mentioned that the department also plans to make the process of allotment of shacks a transparent one. The 2-day process will have CCTV surveillance and will also allow the electronic media to film the process. The staff of the Crown Hotel also celebrated World Tourism Day at their hotel. The staff held a cleanliness drive and planting of saplings as a part of their celebrations. The guests were offered a potted plant as a symbolic gesture.
Tourism is tomorrow's industry, and we generate a lot of foreign exchange and indirect and direct employment to the state of Goa. And we Crown family has taken initiative to do all this. This itself says think green, it helps. So, and tourism is a big backbone of Goa. So that's what we are planning today, and we'll be not doing it only on that particular day. We are planning to do it 24/7. That is every day. That's what we have taken the pledge.
The Casino Association of Goa also held a beach cleanliness drive at Miramar Beach on the occasion of World Tourism Day. President of the association John Snowball, Secretary P. Poddar and other members participated in the drive. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Naravekar.
All you management students, are you ready for the show? Saraswat College will host Odyssey 2010, the biggest management fest. Almost 11 colleges will participate in the fiesta.
This is the 7th year Saraswat College is organizing this event. Principal of Saraswat College believes that this event will provide platform for the students to perform their skills and achieve the title of Best Manager.
The students will get a platform to develop the confidence to have to be in a team, to develop the team spirit. And overall, the competition, this Odyssey event will benefit the students to develop their personality.
You will have 150 educated individuals leaving the event and tomorrow entering the business environment and having a positive effect on it.
Faculty event coordinator Abhishek Karmari mentioned the categories in which a good manager can grab the Odyssey 2010 competition.
There will be a best manager competition, there will be a competition for the best marketing team, there will be a competition for the best finance team, there is a competition for the best HR team, and also there is going to be a competition for business quiz.
Total 11 colleges will participate in the competition. Out of this, 6 are from outside the state, whereas 5 are from Goa. The event will be held from 29 September to 1st of October at Talegaon. Prudent Media is media partner of this event. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Shan.
Many NGOs have supported Vashi villagers in their fight against real estate companies who are planning to build a hotel complex on the island. On the 2nd of October, villagers are planning to sow their paddy fields once again so that they can save their island from the clutches of real estate giants.
Vashi is a small island on Mandovi River. One has to cross 2 ferry boats to reach this island. It lies very close to Diwali. Few years back, some villagers had sold their land to builders for a hotel project. Now they say real estate companies want to displace all the villagers and render them homeless. Many NGOs have supported Vashi villagers for their fight.
आणि हो जागो इकतलो जाल्यार बिझनेस प्लसा इकूंक न्हय पूण हिंगा हॉस्पिटल इस्कॉल आनी कितें असले जागो करूंक जाताले बिस्माच्या हातून हो कोण एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह बॉडी आहा जाल्यार हिंदू कृष्ण मोठा पण गोयकार वाशीकार म्हणून झगडात आखे गोंय आहा तुमच्या बरोबर विलेज ग्रुप ऑफ गो तर असोसिएशन म्हणजे कितें एकूच आमचे जोड्यातल्यान जमीन राखचे.
Villagers have also formed Ella Divashi Association to fight against people who want to bring big hotel projects in their village. They also plan to sow their fields on 2nd October.
हांगासर आमी कसलोच प्रोजेक्ट करूंक दिवची ना. प्रोजेक्ट केन्नाच जावचो ना. शेतां आपापली लोक रोयतली आनी हांगा पीक जाता ती कुशल करीत जावन खातली.
सगळ्या लोकांनी युनाइटेडली I think the whole of Goa, the government is sleeping, the whole of Goa is to be awake, and unitedly we have to save all the villages.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Sushant Par.
Professor M.S. Swaminathan has recommended to the Government of India 128 climate risk management centers to stabilize food output in the era of climate change. Government of India is yet to decide on setting up of such centers. Such centers would enable scientists to go in for different crops either at a time of drought or floods.
Professor M.S. Swaminathan is a world-renowned agriculture scientist. He championed green revolution in India. Due to his and his team's efforts, India became a food surplus country. Swaminathan has given many recommendations to the Government of India. One of it includes setting up of the climate risk management centers. Such centers are necessary in India as whole world is experiencing climate change. Climate change has a huge impact on food output. Even 2-degree rise in temperature can reduce food output. If such centers are set up in whole of India, then they can help farmers grow right variety of crops that can adjust with the climate change. Professor M.S. Swaminathan was speaking during CSIR's Foundation Day at NIO on Sunday.
I have been recommending one research center, a climate risk management center, climate risk research and management and education center in all the 128 zones. The purpose of these climate risk management centers is to develop computer simulation models. Computer simulation models on what are all the possibilities. Will the rainfall be completely absent or will it be aberrant? The distribution will be. Gandhiji used to say nature provides for everybody's need but not everyone's greed. This is very true.
But sadly, Government of India is yet to decide on such climate change management centers. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Shan.
Let's take a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.